Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another video. Let me show you how to make your own personal little bucket server, craft bucket server with all the plugins and all the goodies. So to start off, you're going to need download, or you're going to need a file. You need this little file right here. It's a little jar file, which has all the components of the craft bucket stuff. So just type in craft bucket, and then go down, first one, dl.bukkit.org/downloads/craftbucket, and I'll also provide a link to this down in the description. So under latest downloads, look for your version number. I'm on 1.5.2 and I'm going to download the development build. So just click on that and keep and let that download. I already have it, so I'm just going to just close out of that, close this, yes, exit. So then you'll get a jar file like this. It's probably going to be named differently, like craft bucket and .jar and like numbers and stuff. Just rename it to craft bucket, nice and simple. Just craft bucket. And then create a new folder to store all of your bucket stuff. I'm just going to name it bucket, and I'm going to drag the craft bucket stuff of jar file in here. Now what you're going to want to do is open up your browser again and type in craft bucket code. Actually, no, go to bukkit.org, sorry. Go to bukkit.org and go over to get craft bucket. Now go down to Windows and you're going to want to copy this code right here. Java/XMS yada yada. Just copy that. Copy. And I'll also provide this code in the description so you don't have to go to all these places. And then you're going to want to right click, create a new text document, and open that up. Now just paste in your code you have there, and go to File, Save As, and you're going to want to select all files, and you can call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it Run. And then this is very important, put .bat at the end, and hit save. Or I'm just going to save this to the desktop. So just hit save. My computer's just a little laggy here. So you can close out of that and you can delete that. You don't need it anymore. So now you have this file. Just going to want to drag it into the bucket folder or whatever folder you made. You can just hit run. And then what this will do is this will start up your little craft bucket server. It's going to create all these files. This is all the world, all the server properties. And if this does not happen, if it says Java is not recognized as internal or external command, you can check my previous video in which I showed you a little fix for that. So yeah, so it's going to create the spawn area and all that stuff. And let's just let it do its thing. And then you'll be able to have your craft bucket server. Then after that, you're going to have to port forward so that your friends can get onto your server. So let's see. Since there are lots of different routers and port forwarding depends on your router, it's always different. Just go to your little Skype message. Go to your browser and type in portforward.com. This is a very helpful site that teaches you how to port forward for any router, and just choose your router brand and router model here on the side and just let it load. It's being a bit laggy because it's creating the world net right now. When you're done, you can hit stop and then it's going to save everything. You can just close it out. So you're going to want to choose your router brand. I have a D-Link, so I'm just going to choose, where is it? D-Link right here. And I have a DIR 650. Where is it? DIR 655. Here we go. Just hit search. You can this ad will pop up. You just close it out. You don't really need it. And then there's going to be all the games that you can port forward. Just scroll down all the way to Minecraft, or you can just hit Control F and type in mine, and then it's gonna bring you down to Minecraft. Minecraft server. Click on that, and it's gonna show you how to port forward for your router. And yeah, it's gonna bring. It's very nice. And then after that, you will be able to. Your friends will be able to go on your server. And yeah, that's basically it. These are all the files that it created. I suggest going into server properties, changing that all up. Like if you want a specific seed, allow nether true. If you want to fly, I'm just gonna set that to true since flying is awesome. Texture pack, seeds, server IP, all that stuff. So that's how to set up your Bukkit server. Yes, I'll save it. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to install some plugins. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed and have a good one.